name is Taya. I am going to be teaching you how to make granizados. We have found granizados in Costa Rica. They serve them on many different beaches and they're very, very delicious. See, all you need to make granizados is some syrup. You can get these in all different kinds of flavors. This is just, red. You also need condensed milk and powdered milk, as well as some ice. We're going to be using a Ninja to shred the ice instead of a cheese grater like they do on the beaches. It's like a big cheese grater with a big ice block. So how we're gonna get started is we're gonna grab the Ninja, we're gonna go get our ice from the freezer, and once you're done getting the ice from the freezer, you're gonna make sure that you have the blade, and you're gonna wanna put it on the bottom and secure it. You're gonna do this before you add the ice because it's harder to do it without the blender, of course. So we usually measure it out by just filling up one of these and adding some extra. I'm gonna be making 2 drinks, one for me and one for my beloved mother. So you're gonna fill it up, and then you're going to dump it into the Ninja. Don't mind the spill. And then you're gonna fill it up again if you're gonna make another serving. And once you have the desired amount of ice, you are going to pop the top on, just like that. You're gonna make sure that's secure, and then you're gonna just put this on the top, and you're gonna press the button. And once it's blended a little bit, you're gonna want to add the syrup, and then you're gonna want to blend it more. The amount of syrup you add is up to you, of course, but we will be adding instructions on the bottom for like the preferred amount of syrup and condensed milk and powdered sugar. And then once you're done adding the syrup, you're going to want to add the top back on and the processed syrup back on again. It needs more syrup. Now, once you have had your mixture all blended up, you are going to pop the top off, grab your glasses and bring them over closer. You're going to get a spoon and put the blade off to the side for washing later. And slowly you're going to stir the mixture, and then you're going to slowly put it into the glasses. And you're going to want to make sure you layer the condensed milk and the powdered sugar. We find that this makes it the, best tasting. So we're going to put some in the bottom, and then we're going to grab our condensed milk. We're going to open it, and we're going to drizzle some in the bottom, just so. And this is also up to you on how much you use. And then you're going to grab your powdered sugar. Not powdered sugar, powdered milk is what it is. You can find this all over the place in Costa Rica. just at basically almost any store. And you put a little bit of it in the bottom as well. And then you're going to add some more of the slushy. And you're going to repeat this until your glass becomes full. And once you're done with this, you're going to throw a straw in or grab a spoon and just enjoy. But we like to layer it because it seems to get make it so you don't just have all the sugar on top, and it makes a very nice appealing look as well. I'm using the bigger Ninja because I'm making 2 servings, but there's also a smaller Ninja that you can use if you're just doing 1 serving. It's just the same brand, just smaller. And you're going to add as much powdered milk and condensed milk as you want. And these make delightful desserts, great treats, and amazing snacks for when you're doing movie night. We stumbled across them on Tamarindo Beach a little while ago, but we decided to make them when it was Valentine's Day as our little Valentine's treat. It's nice because we don't have them too often, but they're a nice little treat to have at home. And then you just pour some condensed milk on top. And once you've done that, you throw some straws in and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Enjoy. Bye.